Hello everyone. I hope everybody is having a wonderful morning. Today I'm out here on my front porch. I just wanted to show you where I have rooted this fig tree just from a cutting. I actually just broke it off, and then I cut it at an angle and stuck it down in this dirt with this begonia that I've had since last year, and it's already rooted, and I had pulled all the leaves off except this one is the original leaf. You can see it's a little bit greener. I need to go ahead and pull that one off. Just put out 3 new leaves. I've always heard that figs are hard to root, but I don't think so. They're one of the easiest things to root, I think. I just broke this off, cut it at an angle, put it in some water when I brought it home from where we grow our figs at, and just stuck it down in this flower pot. And it's already rooted. Well, I thought I'd let y'all know that this easy, simple way to root a fig tree. And later on I will show you the figs that we grow and the fig trees that we have, or bushes, whichever you prefer to call it. Thank you so much for watching.